What is up guys, Stanley this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an ORG chart in Lucidchart. So let's get started. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Lucid, and then you will be able to see this official website of Lucid software. Click on this website, and after clicking on this website, this is what the interface will look like. And now from here, if you are new to Lucid, simply click on try now, and after that click on let's go. After that you need to sign up with Lucid through your email and password, and when you are logged in or signed up, you will see this type of dashboard. And when you are redirected to your home page, from here you need to click on Lucid, and after that you need to click on more templates. Now from here, find the ORG chart, which is here as you can see. Hover to it and click on use. After that, as you can see, I have opened my new fresh ORG chart. I will specify my role, and I will specify what type of user I am, and I'll just enter these details. When I'm done, I'll just simply click on done, and after that, from here I can create my own ORG chart. Like this is the data import section. From here I can import my data. This is my saved data from where I can drag and drop my saved data. Here these are the multiple types of frames, which are text frame, image frames, video frames, and from here I can create a diagram key. By creating a diagram key, you can create a new custom key where you can also paste it here on your ORG chart. So this is how you can create an ORG chart in Lucidchart. And when you are done, make sure you click on share or you click on copy share link. So after copying that link, it will generate a custom link that you can copy, and then you can share it to the members that you want. And here are some customization tools that you can see. Like you can embed your diagram as code. You can embed some integrations. And when you click on integrations, here are the integrations that you can embed in your ORG chart in Lucidchart. And this is the quick tools to access all the tools, which are very quick and simple to use. And when you are done, just simply publish or share your ORG chart. So this is how you can create an ORG chart in Lucidchart. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.